Hey, how's it going, traders? In this video, I'm going to break down a stock that I think has some awesome long-term potential and is gaining a lot of traction in the Wall Street Bets Reddit community. So what is the stock? Is it going to short squeeze? What's the trading plan? I'm going to tell you. So all that and more, coming right up. Alrighty, so I actually invested in this stock before it completed its SPAC deal when there was a merger date happening. Now, as you can see, if we zoom out a little bit, it already merged and is now trading under its own ticker and everything. It opened at around $12 a share. Since then, formulated to support at around $10 a share, and then now it's gaining some awesome traction, swinging almost 50% in the last 2 days. So what's going on? Why is it trending? And what is this company? This company is RKLB, or Rocket Labs. It was founded in 2006 by a man named Peter Beck and plans to launch privately owned satellites into space. This is a really awesome company. Now, private consumers can have their own satellites in space. Well, that's really cool, but it does have one competitor, ticker symbol ASTR, or Astra. Now, it does have some awesome contracts locked up, like with Space Force, some with NASA, so RKLB is lacking in that area, but they are way ahead when it comes to how many rockets they have, the rocket technology they have patent, as well as they have way less debt than ticker symbol ASTR. I did a lot of comparisons side to side. I love both of the companies, but Rocket Labs is a really, really good company. Now, how do I know it's trending on the old Wall Street Bets? Now, I shared a website that I found with my team that tracks Reddit stocks before they blow up or if they're just trending on Wall Street Bets. Now, this stock was labeled at number 3 trending for the day. Since then, it's dropped to number 4, but still gained a lot of traction in just 24 hours. Now, if you guys want to join the team's Discord, it's the first link in the description, so make sure you guys go join, 100% free. But anyways, let's go over to this website and I'll show you guys what I was looking at. If I move my face cam here, as you can see, RKLB has fallen to the 4th spot. Now, S&P 500 is always a top trending one, so we don't even count that. GME is, of course, the king of short squeeze. Now, CLLV is a common one, but Rocket Lab is a fairly new stock on this website, so I think it's gaining a lot of traction on Wall Street Bets, and I know it's getting a lot of traction on things like StockTwits because the members are growing every single day. Heading back over the 5-day, 5-minute chart, what is my personal trading plan when it comes to ticker symbol RKLB? Well, if it breaks above $14 a share, I'm going to be a buyer because it's going to signal that it's continued momentum. So why is the break of $14 so important? Well, it's very close to the all-time high, as you can see, at $14.34, and we know that hold numbers can act as common support and or resistance lines. So if it breaks 14 and holds, I will be a buyer for the break of 14.34, a squeeze up to 14.50, potentially 15, and then 16. So assuming my average is $14 a share and my ratio is 2 to 1, meaning for every $2 I want to make, I am risking $1 a share on my trade. So if I plan on locking in profits at $16, I plan on cutting my losses at just below $13 a share. Now, we do know that hold numbers, again, connect as support and or resistance lines, so I like to put my stop loss just below a hold number. At 12.85 is where I'm going to have mine set. Again, as you can see, if we go over to the 5-day, 5-minute chart and pull data off the volume profile, I suggest you guys learn how to read volume profile. It's super important when it comes to trading. As you can see, I did draw a red line right here because there is a big decrease in volume once it hits 12.85, meaning when there's those valleys in the volume profile, the stock either plummets or skyrockets. So if it's falling, most likely it's going to plummet. Meaning if it breaks below 12.85, I really think we'll see $12.50, $12, maybe even $11 on the ask, and that's not good. That's considered being a bag holder if you're still holding and you haven't cut losses by then. So my overall plan is, if you're not long-term holding this, to buy it at 14. I'm going to eventually sell it at around 16 if the charts make sense. If it doesn't reach 16 and starts to fall down, I'm going to sell and then eventually sell my overall position at break even. Therefore, I'm not risking any of my money, strictly only profit. So now you know my trading plan when it comes to ticker symbol RKLB, but as always, I'm very interested to hear your guys's. So why don't you leave it in the comments below if you guys are shorting it, if you guys are long-term investing, what your trading plan is, because I want to know what you guys are doing. If you guys got anything useful out of this video, please consider liking and or subscribing. But other than that, guys, I will see you in the very next video. See you guys.